My name is A. Subhashri Devi and today I am going to teach you BSN and today I am going to teach you a new topic, that is partnership. Okay, what is the topic? Partnership. Okay, before knowing anything about partnership and before knowing anything about partnership, that is your features, functions, importance, limitation, you should know why the reason for developing partnership and what is the cause behind develop a new form of organization, that is partnership. Okay, then what is the reason? That reason is due to limitation of sole trading business. Okay, what is the cause or what is the reason? Due to limitation of sole trading business, a new type of organization or new form of organization is developed, that is your partnership. Okay, so then what is the meaning of sole trading business and what are the limitations? Okay, sole trading business means single ownership business. Sole trading business means the type of business which is started and which can be controlled and which can be guided by only a single person. What I say that? Only a single person. The business which can be started by only a single person is known as sole trading business. Okay, then what are the limitations of sole trading business? First limitation is less amount of capital invested. Okay, less amount of capital invested means a single person cannot invest much money in the business or cannot invest a heavy amount of money in the business. Then second limitation is lack of managerial talent. Okay, a single person cannot have many talent in many subjects. Okay, then next one is your there is no sharing of risk. Okay, as you know that sole trading business means single person. So the single person and the single owner bear all the risk of the business, sole trading business. Okay, then last one is your lack of division of work. Okay, as I said that a single person can start a business, so the division of work is not in the sole trading business. Okay, these are the limitations of sole trading business, and due to this limitation or due to this drawbacks of sole trading business, a new form of organization is developed, that is your partnership. Okay. Okay, do you understand why partnership business is developed? Okay, then do you understand why partnership business is developed? Then next one is your meaning of partnership. What is the meaning of partnership? Means partnership is an association of two or more persons. What? Association of two or more persons. Okay, what I say that? Partnership is an association of two or more persons who agreed to start a business. And share profit and loss of the business. Okay, And what is the meaning of partnership? That partnership is an association of two or more persons who agree to start a business and share profit and loss of the business. Whenever two or more persons jointly start a business for profit and loss, that business is known as your partnership. Okay, do you get that? What is the meaning of partnership? Again I repeat, partnership is an association of two or more persons who agree to start a business and share profit and loss of the business. Whenever two or more persons start a business for jointly and together for sharing profit and loss, that business is known as a partnership. Okay? For example, okay, there are three persons, Mr. A and Mr. B and Mr. C, and they are decided or they have decided to start a business. Okay, they have decided to jointly start a business, and that business is known as your partnership business. That business is known as your partnership business. Okay, then what is the relationship between three? That the relationship is contractual relationship. Okay, what is the relationship between three? The relationship is contractual relationship. Means a partnership business come into existence by a contract. What I say that a partnership business comes into existence by a contract. Okay, without contract there is no partnership business, and the relationship between the persons who start the business is known as contractual relationship. Do you get that? What I say? That partnership business comes into existence by a contract. Okay, one more important thing, the persons who start business or the persons who enter into a business are known as partners. Okay, do you get that? The persons who start a business and the persons who enter into a business and the persons who have agreed to start a business is known as partners, and the relationship between the partners are known as contractual relationship, and partnership business comes into existence by a contract, and if there is no contract, and then there is no partnership business. Okay. Do you get that? What is partnership and what is the meaning of partnership? Okay, next, what is the definition of partnership? What I say that? Definition. Okay. One more important thing is, whenever you write the definition, you should write it properly. Okay, or you should write it properly as it given, because you cannot change the definition. Okay, so partnership definition. First definition is according to L.H. Henry. What I say? L.H. Henry. So, and the question is, who is L.H. Henry? Means L.H. Henry is an author, professor, writer, reader, you can say economist. Okay, so according to L.H. Henry, the definition of partnership is, whenever you write the partnership, you should give inverted comma. Start with inverted comma and ends with also an inverted comma. According to L.H. Henry, the definition of partnership is relation between persons who agreed to carry a business Okay. According to L.H. Henry, the definition of partnership is the relations between persons. Between persons means between partners. Okay. Who agreed to carry a business in a common view for private gain. Means that according to L.H. Henry, the partnership definition is relation between persons who agreed to carry a business in a common view for private gain. Means what? That the persons have decided or the persons have agreed to start a business for their private gain or for their private profit. Okay. Again I will repeat that according to L.H. Henry, the partnership means or definition of partnership is relation between persons who agree to carry a business in a common view for private gain. Means the persons or the partners start the business for their private profits or for their private gain. Okay. This is your definition and you should write the definition accordingly given. Okay. And you should write the definition with inverted comma, start with an inverted comma and end with an inverted comma. Okay. And one more important thing is you should write the author names whenever you write the definition. Okay. Okay. Then second definition is according to section 4. Indian Partnership Act 1932. Act 1932. You should remember the year, that is Indian Partnership Act 1932. Okay, then what is Indian Partnership Act 1932? In the Partnership Act, the rules, regulations, concepts have written in Indian Partnership Act 1932. Okay, so let's go for definition. According to section 4, Indian Partnership Act 1932, definition of partnership is relation between persons. Okay, relation between persons, that is which type of relation? Contractual relation. Relation between persons who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Okay, so second definition is your according to section 4 Indian Partnership Act 1932, the relation between persons means partners who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. So according to Indian Partnership Act 1932, the definition of partnership is relation between persons means relationship between partners who have agreed to start a business or who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Means that a partner can work for others or all the partners can work for together. Okay, do you understand the definition of partnership according to Indian Partnership Act 1932? Again I repeat that according to section 4 Indian Partnership Act 1932, the definition of partnership is relation between persons who have agreed to share profit of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Means the partners or the persons who are agreed to share profits of the business or who have agreed to start a business, they are working together or any one of them a partner work for all the partners. Okay, that is the definition. Okay, there are many definitions in your books, but today I will discuss only two definitions, that is according to L.H. Henry and next one is according to section Section 4 Indian Partnership Act. Okay. Okay, in today's class we get some important points, and what is the points? First one is your partnership meaning, and second one is your definition. Some important points related to today's class. Okay, first point is partnership is association of two or more persons. Two or more persons means to start a partnership business or to continue a partnership business, you must have two or more persons. First important point from today's class is association of two or more persons. Then second important point is the person who start a business or who start a partnership business is known as partner, or the persons who start a partnership business is known as partners. And third important point is the relationship between the persons or between the partners is known as contractual relationship. Okay. Then next point is the partners have agreed to share profit and loss of the business. Okay. The next important point is that the partnership business comes into existence with a contract. If there is no contract, then there is no partnership business. Okay. Today's class I discuss what is partnership and what reason for development partnership. Then what is the meaning of partnership and what is the definition of partnership. Okay. The next class you will discuss, or we have discussed what is the features of partnership. Thank you.